Hey folks, welcome back to Lonely Horde Guitars, and just a quick what's on the bench today. So you can see the Koa from a couple weeks ago. That one is almost ready for string up, but this Sycamore baritone got its first coat today. And I know I've said it before, Sycamore does not get the love it deserves. That is some fantastic stuff right there. So the top is cedar, lots of rosewood bits. More sycamore on the headstock. If this is the kind of content you like, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you at the next one.